How to redeem your Apple gift card or App Store and iTunes gift card. Redeem your gift card in the App Store, iTunes, or the Apple Music app. Redeem your gift card. Redeem your gift card for apps, subscriptions, and more. Redeem your gift card. Redeem a gift card with your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. Find the 16-digit code on the back of the card. For some gift cards, you might need to peel or gently scratch off the label to see the code. On your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, open the App Store app. At the top of the screen, tap the sign-in button or your photo. Tap Redeem Gift Card or Code. If you don't see Redeem Gift Card or Code, sign in with your Apple ID. Tap Use Camera and follow the instructions on the screen. If you have trouble redeeming the card, tap Enter Code manually, then follow the instructions on the screen. Tap Done. Can't redeem your gift card? In the United States, when you redeem a gift card to your Apple account balance, the balance might appear in Apple Wallet. Learn more about using Apple Wallet. Apple Gift Card. For everything and everyone. Products, accessories, apps, games, music, movies, TV shows, iCloud Plus, and more. This gift card does it all. And then some. Mac, iPhone, iPad, watch, accessories, App Store, arcade, music, TV Plus, iTunes, Apple One, Fitness Plus, iCloud Plus, News Plus, books. Apple gift cards are solely for the purchase of goods and services from the Apple Store, the Apple Store app, apple.com, the App Store, iTunes, Apple Music, Apple TV, Apple Books, and other Apple properties.